Hi everyone. Okay, everyone's joining in. Okay, what I want to know is, can you guys hear me? Can you give me a thumbs up if you can hear me right now? Hi guys. Okay, I want to know if you can actually hear me right now. This is a live for silence, but this is not going to be a silent one. So thumbs up if you can hear me. Okay, seems like you can hear me. Okay, hi everyone. First of all, I'm super excited to be joining you guys today. First things first, I want to thank everyone who watched Silence, because that means the world to us. So thank you so much for watching our film. Thank you for all the love that you've showered on our film Silence. And yes, we put in a lot of hard work into this film, and it feels like things have paid off. So there's no better feeling than that. And for those of you who haven't yet watched Silence, what are you waiting for? The weekend is here, and all you have to do is just watch Silence. So just put aside 2 hours of your weekend time and watch our film, and please let us know what you think about it. Okay. Hi. Okay. I'm while I'm chatting with you guys, I'm also looking at all of your messages, and it's incredibly sweet. So thank you. Hi. And I believe you've all put in your questions that you want to ask me today, that you want to ask our director Aban, that you want to ask Manoj sir and Arjun. So yeah, once again, just keep your questions ready. I may just pick up something from here. Okay, let's see what you're saying today. Thank you. Hi. Thank you. Okay, guys, I once again just want to tell you that it's been super special making this film, and of course we did this just post lockdown, so things weren't very easy, but we really tried our best, and we had a great time making our film. So I hope that you guys really enjoy watching it. Yeah, and thank you for all the love that you're showering on Manoj sir, on our director Aban, on the whole team, on Sahil, Bakar, Barkha, Amit, Garima, and everyone who's a part of the film, Arjun, Shishir sir, Sohela ma'am. We all want to thank you from the bottom of our hearts. So a big love. Screenshot that. Okay. What do you guys say? Should I start taking Aban ma'am, Manoj sir on my live? What do you say? Yeah? So first of all, I have to tell you that this has been a super exciting film for me, because it's the first time I collaborated with a female director. I had, I think, one of my most fulfilling experiences working with Aban on Silence. I don't think I can really express in words what the whole journey was like, but it was just absolutely amazing. I think there is a huge difference overall when you see a film that's made by a female director versus a male director, and I'd say it's in the nuances, it's in the little things, it's in the details, in the subtexts of everything, and that's not necessarily very outlined or largely really put out there, but it's there. The difference is there. So yes, So happy to have collaborated with Aban on this. And Manoj sir, what do I say? Should I like start now? I think the live won't get over then. If I have to tell you about the amazing experience I had working with Manoj sir and Sahil and Vakar and Arjun and everyone. So should we just take Manoj sir live right now? What do you say? Okay, let's do this. Let's see. Okay, there. I think Manoj sir is going to join us anytime now. Waiting for Manoj sir. Okay, first of all, I want to know, what are you guys doing this weekend? Here in Bombay, we sort of have a lockdown, so we have to stay home. Maybe all of you who are staying home should just go watch Silence. I think that would be a great idea. So there, I've sorted out your plan for the weekend. Go watch Silence. Let us know what you think of it. Order some good food, or maybe cook up something amazing, like a little treat for yourselves. Yeah, and please stay safe. Please stay safe. This time around, it's a tougher one. It's difficult for all of us, I know, and I think that if we can just be careful in the next couple of days, weeks, maybe the month, then probably life will sort out a little bit for all of us. But please, for the sake of yourselves, your family, and everyone, just stay safe. Keep your masks on. Yeah. Why? Okay, 1 second, guys. There's some technical issue. Why is Manoj sir not coming live? Okay, I think I got this right. Maybe I'm not such a pro at this.
Hi. Hi. How are
Okay,
you?
Manoj sir, how are you?
I'm
How's
good.
your
I'm good.
health?
Yeah, I'm
You look
मैं
great.
उत्तराखंड में हूँ, उत्तराखंड में.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. How are you? You looking good, yeah, Prachi?
Thank you, sir.
Looking very good. Your
I've only
fans are going.
dressed up for this. Otherwise, it's going to be
Yeah,
pajamas for the weekend because it's a lockdown in Bombay.
yeah, it's lockdown in Bombay. It's mostly pajamas only now.
Okay, but I can see that you're in a very interesting place. It looks like a chalet. It looks like a...
Yeah, it's a cottage. It's a wooden cottage here,
Oh, how
and
beautiful.
yeah, we are shooting in the nights.
Wow.
Okay.
Acha,
So
what is
Divya
this?
Unni.
What is your
Yeah.
connection with this night shoots? Everywhere you go, you're only shooting nights. Can you tell us
अरे
something about
यार,
that?
मतलब मुझे इतनी परेशानी होती है नाइट शूट से. मैं एंड प्राची नोज इट. मेरा तो मेरा स्विच उड़ जाता है मेरा तो.
Oh God,
Yeah.
I know. But
लेकिन कल कल रात को इन्होंने जल्दी थोड़ा 2 बजे रात को पैकअप किया, so that I get full rest and join you guys for this.
wow, thank you. So,
हाँ.
guys, you really need to know that when Manoj sir or we actors are shooting nights, we actually start at around 4-5 in the evening, and we shoot till the next morning. Sometimes till 6, till 7 in the morning, and it's really tough. So, all credit to you, sir, for all the hard work. And there's so much that people have been writing to you. Everyone's been telling you how amazing your performance has been. How does it feel about that? Because all the compliments are still pouring in, and people have loved you in the film.
Oh, that matlab, I really thank people for loving silence more than anything else. Because as you also know that I believe that film is more bigger than any one actor, and all of us have put in our best foot forward. I know it how good you guys were, you and Sahil and Vakar and Arjun Mathur. Is he joining Arjun today?
Yes, should we join him in now? Should I take him
Now
on now?
let's take him on. Let's take him on, because let's talk about silence because people are waiting there. I can see so many questions coming in. Yes, मतलब इतने सारे फैन है तुम्हारे, हमारे भी हमें भी फॉलो करेंगे थोड़ा सा तो हमारा भी बढ़ेगा भाई.
It's the other way around. It's the other way around. I'm going to get your fans now. Why don't you answer some of their questions? You know, somebody asked a very interesting question about the action of this film, for you
Right.
particularly, because the action sequence was very, very real. So nobody was like flying off a harness, you know,
Right.
and doing that kind of action. But please tell them something about the two sequences you did in our film.
You know, actions mostly, जैसा कि तुम भी जानती हो, you've been working in this industry for so long. The action is more about the technique. You have to learn the
Yeah.
technique, not only to do the shot right, but also
Yeah.
to make sure that you don't get hurt and the other actor, you know, co-actor doesn't get hurt. But it's mostly, I always maintain one thing: the action is here, you know, on your face, and rest is all technique.
Yeah.
So if you're putting in emotion into the technique, it really feels much more larger than life than you actually try to, you know, do all those flying stuff. Yes, I don't know. I can't fly. I can't. I have vertigo, so mostly I'm
Okay.
so scared. But mostly action, if it is backed up by the emotion, अगर उसमें emotion डालेंगे तो action ज़्यादा believable लगेगा और ज़्यादा उस पे लोग विश्वास कर पाएंगे.
Right. Exactly. So I hope that you guys got great insight out of this, because you got it directly from the man himself, and
Director.
Aman is here. Yay!
Hi!
Director.
Guys, that's our
How are
amazing
y'all?
director.
How are
Say
y'all?
happy birthday to you.
Happy
Thank
birthday!
you.
Happy birthday!
birthday
Happy
month.
birthday! Happy
Birthday
birthday!
month, yeah. How are you, Manoj? How are you, Prachi?
I'm
Good.
good. I actually want to be in Uttarakhand where Manoj sir is right now, because it's
I
looking
want to
really
be
beautiful.
too. I want to be too.
I know,
Let's
I
I
go.
want
know,
to just get away from here.
I know, and you know, Avan, before you talk about silence, let's all, you know, let's all, you know, tell all of those people who are listening to us, please don't get out of your house. You know, social
Yeah.
distancing रखिए, मास्क लगाइए और लोगों के लिए, you know, pray कीजिए because it's a very difficult time. It's a very difficult time. And we all, you know, team of silence, we are praying for you all, and also telling you and requesting you to really, you know, follow the protocol. आप लोग मास्क लगाइए, दूरी बनाइए, घर में रहिए जहां तक हो सके. Now, Prachi, if you allow me, can I ask a question to our director?
Of course, it's all yours. The mic is all yours.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes. Aban, now tell me one thing. This कि ये आपकी पहली फिल्म है और इतना लोग इसको इतना पसंद कर रहे हैं. इस यू नो अब ये इसको सक्सेसफुल भी प्रोजेक्ट, ये कंटेंट माना जा रहा है. How do you feel, Aban? Tell me that. How do you feel? How do you feel, you know, being a first time director? I know that you've directed, you know, short films. I know that you have done, you know, couple of ad films also. But, you know, doing a film was your long, you know, I would say that it was a dream that you were chasing since a long time.
That's true. That's true.
And now when people are watching it, loving it, you know, making it successful, how do you feel?
Just very grateful.
Yeah.
Very grateful because you know we've shot at such a difficult time, and I'm very grateful that such an amazing team and which helped me make such a good film. You know how this film was, you know how the content was. If I didn't
Right.
have dedicated actors, this would not have reached the way it has reached with God's grace. Because I needed a team to get into the character, to get into the role, and
Right.
it happened, and so I'm just very grateful. That's all. I just feel happy and grateful.
अच्छा मुझे आप एक बात बताइए कि सब लोग, आप बहुत सारे लोग पूछते हैं आपसे, प्राची इतनी सुंदर है, इतनी नाजुक लगती है, उसको आपने पुलिस का रूल कैसे दे दिया आपको?
Because of that. Because of that. Because I wanted to show, okay, cops does not mean that you have to be looking tough and, harsh. I mean, you can be very pretty and still can be a cop. Because a lot of times to be a cop, you need thinking prowess. You need your wits about you. That is also part of being a cop. You just don't necessarily have to have, muscles and, to be to a wrestler or a boxer in order to be one. And I wanted to show that. I wanted to show that somebody who's pretty and well dressed can also be a
Right. Prachi, this is your handle, Instagram handle. So you just say hi to those guys because they are asking you to say hi to them. Okay. And after that, please add Arjun, get him in so that we all
Yes, I'm
can
trying,
party together.
Okay, I'm
Yes.
trying again. Let's try to get Arjun on.
Yes. So when you are trying to get him in, I'll ask another question. Aban, now tell us about KD. KD was a big force in the big force, and he's been at it.
Huge.
Yeah, huge. And so, two sentences about KD and what he does, so that people should know. He's one of the most prolific cameramen of this country. So yeah, so
Totally.
I want you to talk about him.
So when we were doing Silence, it so happened that time Kiran got an offer for a big film,
Right.
for a big feature film.
Right.
It was actually really tough because this was a project which, very honestly, would not have taken off if I did not have Kiran's support, but full support as a producer behind me, because his knowledge of the industry, the number of people he knows, the way we could manage to pull off this entire shoot was because of his competence and because he knows so many people and he's got so much goodwill in the industry.
Right.
So he preferred to set aside his feature just so that we can put we can put Silence on the floor. So for me, he was like my backbone.
Yeah. So with that, I also we as team, we also thank Sharik, Shakir, हमारे
Sharik, yeah.
Sharik, sorry, Sharik, हमारे Z Studio के, who kind of started all of this. So if he is there,
Totally.
watching it, thank you very much. And Swati and Ashima from Z Studio,
Totally.
Neeraj and Z5. Z5 is really
Yeah.
putting their force behind it till now. Jayesh and all of those guys
And the team.
and the
And
team.
they're so supportive, supportive, right through, I must say.
So Prachi, tell me one thing. Your all Masti wala video is with Sahil. What's the matter, yaar? What's the reason for that?
Guys, I have to tell you the secret of this today. So the most masti khor on the set has to be Manoj sir, first of all. Don't go by his intense image and intense look on his face. No, you started all of this. So Manoj sir started all the masti from day one. And then, sometimes it would happen that Sahil and I would take it too far. So, the masti wouldn't stop. And then Manoj sir used to give us one nice scolding. And, band bajao. So, we had to then come back on track and, focus on the scene. But it was Manoj sir. It was all Manoj sir.
What do you make of Waqar, Prachi? What do you make of Waqar?
Oh my God, the biggest Chupa Rustam. Where is he right now? We need to get him live right now.
Right.
He's the biggest Chupa Rustam.
Right.
Waqar looks like he's so serious and so sincere and dedicated because he won't say a word. But then, chupke se one-liner will come somewhere.
Right.
He has a crazy sense of humor.
Yeah.
He has a crazy sense of humor. Yeah.
Is
Poker
Arjun
Face too.
coming in, Prachi?
Uh, okay,
Yeah.
sorry guys, this is a bit technical, but
No, ask him to join.
I can't seem to find him here.
Acha,
So
you can't seem to find him there. Anyway, that means we'll keep checking on him.
can
But
we?
meanwhile, we can always talk about him. Aban, please let's talk about Arjun.
Arjun.
Yeah.
Arjun is such a sweet boy, yeah. Matlab, that is exactly why I wanted him. Because looking at him, you would feel, he's the good kid, well behaved, respectful, and he would never do anything wrong. He looks like the first bencher, in
Right.
class. And that is so perfect for the role because I wanted somebody with that sincerity and that honest face, sweet face of his.
Right.
So
Right. Right.
he was like a bang on for that role.
I really
So it's so
admire.
difficult.
I admire him as an actor. I was also
Yeah,
very, sneakily I was observing him, how he prepares and what all he does.
yeah,
Yeah. So I realized that this man means business. He really means business when he's on the
yeah,
set. And I know there is not even a second that he wastes. So which was quite commendable. मैं जानता हूँ अर्जुन को कि उसने मेड इन हेवन किया था और भी बहुत सारे काम देखे हैं उसके.
correct, correct.
Such a fantastic actor. So Prachi, say hi to your fans. I mean, they are going berserk here.
Hi guys. Sir, all those hearts they are for you.
And
by
that
the way.
smile,
In
that
case if you
smile, the
can't
killer
see,
smile.
all those hearts they are for you.
Oh my
You
goodness.
must give them your love.
Oh my God. No, I mean, the men
Okay,
will
let's
never
ask
send me.
Aban, man. We want to
Yeah.
know from you, Aban. You have to describe all of us in like one word. So first, Manoj sir.
Oh wow.
Uh,
Oh God.
Fabulous.
Arjun.
Um, Enduring.
Anil.
Sahil. Funny.
Vakar.
Vakar. Dependable.
Yeah.
Shishir sir.
You missed out Prachi.
You missed out Prachi.
Prachi, bundle of energy. That's three
Bundle.
words.
Yeah. I mean, positive. I really look at her as a very positive girl. Yes, she is hesitant. She's kind of, what do you call, apprehensive when she's meeting you. But when she opens up, she's very, very positive, very warm, very warm. Yeah.
And the best thing is that everybody gelled so well on the set. So we
Right.
never had anybody, who would backbite or say, or have a problem with another
Right.
person. Especially Manoj. I think Manoj, you were so giving. I keep telling that to everybody. So generous as an actor. So generous.
Thank
You
you,
really
Abba.
actually held us all together. You made us the A team,
Yes,
the
yes.
Avinash team, and
Yes, the
you
team.
made it
The
easier
team.
for us from day one. That's totally true. And
Yeah, look, I mean,
surprisingly, we didn't even do any readings together
right.
because it was, I mean,
Yeah.
it was times of COVID. You were shooting something else. Everybody was, working from home. Everyone was trying to get the dialogues right and everything, but it was all like homework, more than being
Right.
able to move
Yeah.
or do anything. But you just
I
made
think
it
the
easier.
only joint reading we had was when Manoj came. And then Manoj was rehearsing with all the ADs. Because none of the actors could be there. I think only Vakar was there. Only Vakar was there.
Oh my
Yeah,
God.
So
because
we were all doubling up for all the characters.
right. But what is so heartening, Prachi and Avan, that when I see people really, मतलब जा रहे हैं, platform पे जा रहे हैं, they are making that effort to really go on the platform, subscribe it, and they are sharing and spreading about the film,
Yes, yes,
and taking the film forward, which is so amazing. It's OTT platform.
which is so amazing.
It's so amazing that there is no first 3 days collection and 1 week collection or 2 week collection. Here the film goes on. It's on its own journey. It's getting its own
Yes,
admirers,
yes,
and
yeah, thank
and
God.
it's so heartening to see people really writing about it, and they are not tired, they are not getting exhausted in telling you about the film,
Yeah.
how good the film is, and asking so many questions, right, Prachi?
Yeah, so thank you guys really wholeheartedly for watching our film. I've actually given them a really good plan this weekend. So the weekend is here. If you've not watched Silence as yet, you have to go watch it now and you have to tell us what you think about the film. महाराष्ट्र में आपके कोई एक्सक्यूजेस नहीं चलेंगे बिकॉज वीकेंड पे यहाँ बॉम्बे में तो लॉकडाउन है सो आपको एक ही काम है आपको साइलेंस देखना है and you have to tell us what you think of the film.
Yeah.
And it's not for you and me, Manoj sir. I'm just asking for a friend, Aban. Is there Silence 2 happening? A friend was asking, so I'm just asking for her.
The process is happening. The process is happening. I've already started writing, but it's a long way ahead. So,
Yeah.
so yes,
So
Yeah,
we're
the
not
yes.
committing anything, guys.
yeah.
This
So
was
yeah,
just
the good thing is that she has admitted that she is writing. Okay,
writing.
Yes.
I
she's
hope my friend
writing.
who was asking is hearing this.
So that's a good
Okay,
thing.
but actually, where is Arjun? Why can't I get him on this chat?
Yeah. Oh, he must be in some outdoor. He must be having some, trouble. So,
Shoot, yeah, I guess.
Is he still in Delhi? Is he still shooting in Delhi?
I think so. I
He's
think
still in
so.
Delhi.
And Delhi
Okay.
is having weekend lockdown. Okay.
Oh, they are having a weekend lockdown.
Yes, and it's a very difficult time. It's a difficult
Very,
time.
yeah.
Uh, निकेश साहब इतने गुस्से में क्यों हो भाई? बात आपने इतने गुस्से वाले इमोजी दिए हैं निकेश ने. प्रणाम मनोज भैया. Rhythm कौन? Come on, read Prachi so that they
I want Silence 2 harder. That's what someone just said. Someone said,
Yes.
Arjun, sir, please come live. Okay,
Someone says
sent
love you.
lots of hearts and kisses for Manoj, sir.
Someone says love you, Prachi.
Oh my God.
Kim Cho.
So sweet. So when are you visiting Bihar?
Oh yes, I will be visiting very soon. If God forbid, if it continues like this, I'm thinking of after shooting, finishing this film in May end, I'll go to my village.
No, Manoj, you're supposed to come here and party first.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Yes,
that
the
party.
June, we are partying.
We're
Yes.
still
I mean,
waiting, yes, for that party to happen.
as soon as this all calms down, this is
Yes.
a new development. ये वायरस थोड़ा सा बहुत ही गड़बड़ है, बहुत अग्रेसिव है, बहुत गुस्से वाला है. So I think I hopefully things will be fine in 1 month. I
really hope so.
Right. I really praying very hard. But meanwhile, भाई, we have to plug in silence. आप लोग साइलेंस देखिए, लोगों को दिखाइए. इंग्लिश में प्राची बात करेंगे, अबान बात करेंगे, मैं हिंदी में आप लोगों से बोलता रहूंगा. साइलेंस
हम सब
देखिए.
हिंदी में बात करेंगे.
हम भी ट्राई करेंगे हिंदी में ही बात करने.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तहे दिल से शुक्रिया जिसने भी आप सबने साइलेंस देखा है. आई प्रॉमिस हमने आपके मैसेजेस, आपके कमेंट्स, हमने सब कुछ पढ़ा है. कभी कभी पर्सनली हम सबको रिप्लाई नहीं कर पाते हैं, बट आई स्वेयर टू यू योर मैसेजेस, आपके सारे आपने नोट्स जितने भी जो भी लिखे हमारे लिए बहुत बहुत स्पेशल और प्रेशियस है। हमने पढ़े भी हैं, हमने डिस्कस भी किए हैं, एंड वी आर ऑन टॉप ऑफ द वर्ल्ड कि आपने इतना सारा प्यार साइलेंस को दिया है। आई गेस कि
Totally.
आप आबान को यहाँ पर पहली बार हम सबके साथ इकट्ठा देख रहे हैं, बट
Right.
प्लीज आप अपने मैसेजेस अभी मनोज सर के लिए डालिए, बिकॉज मैंने कमेंट सेक्शन में बहुत सारे उनके लिए कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स ऑलरेडी पड़े हुए हैं, आपके ट्वीट्स भी पड़े हैं, जो भी आप यहाँ जो लाइव है, अगर आप ट्विटर पे हैं, आई स्वेयर मैंने आपके मैसेजेस सब पढ़े हैं। एंड
Love you, Prachi ma'am. You are so cute.
that's so sweet.
Which you are.
Thank you. मनोज सर, एक इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आपके लिए भी है। यहाँ पे किसी ने पूछा था कि नए जो एक्टर्स हैं, जो नए एक्टर्स इस इंडस्ट्री में काम करना चाहते हैं, उनके लिए आपके पास अगर कोई सजेशन, मैसेज या एडवाइस है?
मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ कि यार जो नए एक्टर काम करना चाहते हैं या आना चाहते हैं, बहुत कम लोग लकी होते हैं कि जल्दी काम मिलता है आपको। तो आप जब तक काम नहीं मिल रहा आप क्या कीजिए, ऑडिशन के अलावा जो है अपने आप को तैयार रखना, अपने आप को तैयार करना, आप वर्कशॉप्स कीजिए। आप जितने टीचर्स, इतने सारे वर्कशॉप्स होते हैं, थिएटर कीजिए, प्ले कीजिए, खाली मत बैठिए। खाली बैठ करके आप वेट करेंगे तो दैट्स लाइक कंप्लीट वेस्टेज ऑफ टाइम। सो यू कीप लर्निंग कि आप इफ यू कीप लर्निंग, सो द डे यू गेट द अपॉर्चुनिटी यू विल बी एबल टू मेक द मोस्ट ऑफ इट। So it's very important that you keep working on yourself, keep learning new things, keep attending workshops or do a play. It's very important.
I hope ये बहुत ही हेल्पफुल था उन सबके लिए। इनफैक्ट हमारी फिल्म में वी हैड हमारे साथ कुछ एक्टर्स थे जो बिल्कुल नए थे, बट आई थिंक अबान मैम ने इतनी सुंदर तरीके से उन्हें प्रिपेयर करवाया था, या वो थे ही इतने अच्छे कि ऐसा लगा ही नहीं कि इट वाज देयर फर्स्ट टाइम। सो आई वांट टू विश all those who are looking to join the industry all the best, and I'm sure you can do it. In fact, the best time है to prepare yourselves.
Totally.
Yeah, this is a really good time. And अबान मैम, everybody wants to know, सब जानना चाहते हैं कि साइलेंस का इंस्पिरेशन आपको कहाँ से मिला?
It's fiction. It's fiction, and it's not that there has been किसी को I saw somebody being murdered or saw was part of a situation where this thing happened. But around you, you always see stress. You always read in the newspapers about situations. And if you're a writer, तो फिर वो mind fertile होके कुछ न कुछ तो बाहर ही निकलता है. So this is.
Another thing, आप अबान मैम के क्यूट और इनोसेंट फेस पे मत जाइए। The thriller genre, the murder mysteries is her favorite. ये उनका favorite genre है। And I'm sure कि उनके पास ऑलरेडी ऐसी बहुत सारी स्टोरीज कहीं पर एक बॉक्स में छुपी हुई है। So we're waiting for all of those to come out.
Also Aban, let's talk about Garima and Barkha.
Yes.
And Amit, all the new
and Amit.
kids.
Right.
Yeah.
And Amit.
Yeah. So Barkha was somebody whom we have worked with when Barkha was so tiny. She had done a Colgate film with us. So somehow it was struck me कि वो वही बरखा है. So then later on when I was just talking to Kiran that I really want Barkha because she's also a kind of a known face. She's got that sweetness, innocence. So Kiran said कि अरे we've shot with her for Colgate. I said this is the same that baby Barkha. And I texted her and I said I want you for this film. And Garima, I saw her audition, and in my head I knew I want her. She was so confident and so good, and so with it, and such a good performer. And
Amit?
So Amit का was actually a very curious thing. जो हमारे checkers थे, तो Amit had actually auditioned for the checker.
Right.
So he had come along with all the other trekkers, or office पे I was taking an audition with all of them. और मुझे लगा कि this boy had something about him, and I didn't want to waste him only as a small role.
Right.
So I told him, I said, I like you for this other role, which is a bigger
Right.
role, but only because we were supposed to leave in like 3 days for Lonavala for the
Right.
shoot. तो I said कि अगर मुझे एक अच्छा ट्रैकर मिल गया, then I will shift you on to Rishabh's role and I will take the
Right.
other tracker. So Amit got
Right.
so
Oh.
desperate, he called all his friends for audition. He said, come for audition for this trekker's role, because he was so desperately wanted to be part of that, to be doing
So
his job.
sweet.
एक किसी ने कहा
Yeah.
कि
So
साइलेंस जो
destiny.
है, एक किसी ने कहा साइलेंस जो है साइलेंट फिल्म नहीं है, ये फाड़ फिल्म है, फाड़।
Wow. Thank you.
तो
Wow.
I agree with you.
बहुत सारे लोग बोल रहे हैं डायलॉग बोलने के लिए, तो मैं कहूंगा हर खामोशी बेजुबान नहीं होती।
Whoa.
Beautiful. और ये line
Beautiful.
लिखी किसने थी?
हैं?
Might you want to say? ये line
Sorry?
किसने लिखी थी?
किसने लिखी थी?
किसने लिखी थी?
अच्छा, प्राची ने लिखी थी क्या?
प्राची ने लिखी थी।
Oh my God.
No way.
हर
No
खामोशी
way.
बेजुबान नहीं होती। My goodness. प्राची,
अगर
No, but
आप सबको पता नहीं है, then आबान मैम ने ये फिल्म सिर्फ डायरेक्ट नहीं की है, ये लिखी भी है, एंड
Right.
बहुत ही खूबसूरत डायलॉग्स है इस फिल्म में, बहुत रियल भी है, बट इफ यू आर ए रीडर, अगर आप बुक्स पढ़ना पसंद करते हैं तो आपको आई गेस यू वुड नो कि इसमें से कुछ जो रेफरेंसेस है वो कहाँ से आते हैं, एंड इट्स सो ब्यूटीफुल, इट्स जस्ट रियली ब्यूटीफुल. So, what are you waiting for? Guys, watch Silence.
watch Silence, please. Everybody watch Silence. I'm sure you will like it.
मनोज
What's
सर,
that?
आज आप सेट पर जाने से पहले you have to tell everybody आप तभी शूट करेंगे अगर सब साइलेंस देखेंगे तो.
नहीं, बिल्कुल, यहाँ पे लोगों को मैं बहुत डरा भी रहा हूँ, क्योंकि आजकल मेरी दाढ़ी भी बड़ी हुई है। बहुत ज्यादा
ये करेक्ट तरीका होता है. This is how it should be done.
हाँ, बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ पूछ भी रहे हैं कि आप बीमार लग रहे हो। मैं ये भाई दाढ़ी बड़ी हुई है, दाढ़ी में आदमी कैसा लगेगा, और उत्तराखंड में
Exactly.
हाँ,
ये सेमी लॉकडाउन के टाइम कोई कैसा लगेगा?
कैसा लगेगा भाई।
Listen
अब
guys,
तो
मनोज सर बहुत हार्ड वर्किंग है. यू कैन इमेजिन वो नाइट शूट्स कर रहे हैं अभी भी, एंड वो तो कल रात को उनका अर्ली पैकअप हुआ था, विच इज 2 o'clock in the night. वरना वो सुबह 6, 7, 8 बजे तक शूट करते हैं पूरी रात. So it's
And Manoj sir loves night shoots.
he
Oh
loves
my
No,
it.
Manoj loves.
To all the filmmakers, are you listening? Aban,
Yeah.
ma'am, you should Silence 2 आपको full night लिखनी चाहिए, outdoor, exterior nights. Right?
I also don't want to do nights, please.
Oh well.
Although one of
हमारे पास
our
बहुत सारे नाइट शूट के
nicest
secrets हैं,
scenes
जो
happen.
शायद हम आपको अगली
Sorry.
बार बताएंगे. All those secrets, नाइट शूट के secrets हम अगली बार
Yeah.
लोगों को शायद बताएंगे.
मुझे
Yes,
don't remind me,
yes.
because today is
Yeah.
my 10th night, and I am dying.
Oh.
I'm almost dead. I'm almost dead.
Oh my God.
and that too, what happens in the night, the temperature dips very badly. So
Yeah.
it's like, oh
It's
my
cold.
God, it's so cold. It's so cold. I know वहां पे बॉम्बे में लोगों को लग रहा होगा कि यहाँ बहुत गर्मी है, हमको ठंडी जगह जाना, लेकिन इतनी ठंडी भी नहीं, बहुत ठंडी है।
तो अब
You can see there is a heater there. There is a heater
Plan
there.
cancel,
You
हम
can
नहीं
see
जा
it there.
Lovely.
हमारा प्लान कैंसिल, हम नहीं आ रहे हैं.
So
Okay, Aban ma'am, should we take the last few questions? हमें जानना है कि
Yes.
साइलेंस के लिए आपने सबसे पहले किसको साइन किया था?
Manoj Bajpayee.
oh yes, हाँ, मैं और अबान बात कर रहे थे इस पे करीब 1.5-2 साल से। पहले ही रीडिंग में मुझे बहुत पसंद आई थी, बट आई डिडंट नो व्हेन टू डू इट। डेट्स बहुत ज्यादा जो है कॉम्पैक्ट हो चुके थे, बहुत सारे जा चुके थे, एंड सडनली मेरे पास में कुछ डेट्स आया और मैंने केडी को बोला, केडी अगर करना है तो इसमें कर लो जल्दी से जल्दी, because otherwise it will be delayed by 1.5 years. And
Oh my God.
the way Katie kind of went about the town is so
Totally.
commendable, so commendable. He really made it possible, Prachi.
He made it possible. He made it possible.
I don't think people know कितना मुश्किल है to actually make a film, let alone कि अगर आपको 1 या 2 महीने मिले और आपको उसमें सब कुछ प्लान और प्रिपेयर करना है, और हमने 1 या 2 महीने में फिल्म शूट भी खत्म कर लिया था. So you cannot imagine कि how difficult that is, but they made it happen. So kudos to you, and उनका first film है ये. So big congratulations to you guys. Candid Films has done amazing. So
thank you. Because of everyone, because of you all, seriously. Because of a fabulous team.
So Prachi, just a thank you note, and after that we'll say goodbye.
Of course.
Yes.
Thank you
guys,
note. Yeah.
We want to say a huge thank you. आप सबको बहुत शुक्रिया. First of all, for watching Silence, for all your love, आपके सारे messages, notes, सब कुछ, and for joining the live today. And thank you, Abanna and Manoj sir, also for joining us. Please give all these viewers your message. They really want to hear from you.
Yes, and watch Silence, and make your family and friends and your neighbors watch Silence.
Yes, please watch Silence and stay safe, everyone.
Stay safe and अपना ख्याल रखिए आप लोग, सब लोग.
Yes.
सावधानी बरतिए. Be cautious. Be careful. Please stay safe. Please wear your mask if you are getting out. Social distancing रखिए. Thank you. Thank you, Prachi. Thank you, Aban.
Thank you, Manoj. Thank you, Prachi.
Thank you, and
we'll be meeting up very soon in Bombay to party for Silence.
Party!
Aban and I will come to give you a surprise over there. So
please come.
Yes,
guys, please come.
Guys, mask on and silence on. You have to watch this weekend, okay? That's awesome.
Bye. Thank you. Bye. Bye.
Guys, thank you once again for joining us. This was so much fun. We should do this again really soon. I have been reading all of your messages, while we were chatting, of course. Thank you so much for all your love, and all the way I can see messages from Shimla and from Bengal. Thank you for so much love, and thank you for watching Silence. If you haven't watched Silence already, please go and watch our film. And big love to our whole team. Of course, Aban and Manoj were here today, and Vakar, Sahil, Amit, Karima, Barkha, Shishir sir, Sohela ma'am, and everybody from the film. We thank you from the bottom of our hearts. And of course, the whole amazing, outstanding team of Z5. You guys have been so amazing. So this was all obviously possible only because of you. So thank you for that. And guys, please stay safe. Keep your masks on, and please maintain social distancing. This is a tough time for everyone. So yes, just take care of yourselves and everybody around you. And I'm going to leave you here with lots and lots of love. Thank you. Thank you, guys.